got the right mount, the leather, and now doing it right with the black and white liners, and I'm working my. Oh my gosh! I cannot stop. Wow! Sorry. I did not realize this song was this weird. Oh my gosh! Yeah, I'm not singing this song to you. Oh, yeah, I'm not singing this song to you guys. Sorry. I'm not singing song to you. No. I did not want to be. I did not realize this song was about that. Oh my gosh. Man, I don't really know who it is. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay. We'll sing a nicer song. That song is just no. That is not appropriate for a live stream. No. Or what are the chat saying? What are the chat saying? What are the chat saying? MLG, please sing. Let Ella sing with you. Yeah, she's not really here though. I'm here, and you're listening to me. Show us what you're watching. You want to see what I'm watching? Okay. Fair. See this? See this here? See this here? See this here? This is my second live stream. And this is the song I'm not showing you. Look how wacky that dude looks. Like, look at that. Such a wacky dude. A decade ago? Yeah. Man, I still remember when Shrek came out. Yo, when did Shrek come out? When did Shrek come out? Man, I watched that in the movies when that first came out. Dude. How old was I? I don't really care if people know my age, honestly. Hold on. Yeah, I was 7 when that movie came out. Yeah, I saw that in the movies. Oh, I love that movie. That was a great movie. That was a good movie, you know? Saw that one. Yeah, man, saw those. Yeah, man, all these movies. Saw them when they came out. I can... it's alright. It's okay. You can speak in English if you want, but you can speak in that. But you just gotta make sure you translate it for me. That's all, chat. There's a Shrek 5. What? Didn't Shrek do everything? Hold up, chat. There's a Shrek 5 coming out? What? Why? I guess you gotta keep the fans wanting more, I guess. How many Shrek's movies in there? The plot? Yeah, I know the plot. Don't tell me about the plot, honestly. I was there. I saw that movie when it came out. Probably when I was 8 years old. A year later, but still. I was there. Chat. Oh, man. Add me in. Yeah, looks like it. I'll show you this. Kind of exclusive. So far, 53 people have viewed this. Wait. Oh, yeah? What's this, chat? What's this? Okay. Yeah, you can speak. You can speak whatever you want to speak, I suppose. The only one's here. Oh, man. Let me... By the way, I'm going to sleep later. Okay? No worries. Hi, guys. Yeah, that's what I see.